Welcome back, Hotelier. Chapter 6, Part 9. Portobello Pot Roast. Here is the perfect hot meal to serve your loved ones on a cold day. Prepare time: 10 minutes. Cook time: 2 hours and 40 minutes. Servings: 6. Ingredients: 1 pound of baby bella mushrooms, sliced in half. 1.25 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes, sliced in bite-sized pieces. 2 large carrots, peeled and sliced into bite-sized pieces. 3 sprigs fresh thyme. 2 cups pearl onions, chilled. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 3 cups vegetable stock, divided. 3 tablespoons tomato paste. 1/2 a cup of dry red wine or white wine. 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce. Sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper as needed. Fresh chopped parsley for garnish. Directions: 1. In your slow cooker, add the carrots, mushrooms, onions, garlic, thyme, 2.5 cups vegetable stock, tomato paste, wine and Worcestershire sauce. Prepare on high for 3 to 4 hours, or until the potatoes and carrots are tender. 2. In a bowl, blend the remaining 1/2 cup of vegetable stock and cornstarch. Add to the roast mix and toss to combine. Continue to stir for about 3 additional minutes or until the gravy thickens. 3. Serve immediately and garnish with fresh parsley, then enjoy. Thank you. If you enjoy watching my Portobello Pot Roast recipe video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell.